Scott Forsman Addison Wesley presents an all-new mathematics program for kindergarten through middle school. This new program brings you strong math content and organization, a unique approach to problem solving. It ensures student success, especially on state and national tests, and it offers you complete and customized teaching support. From the teacher's perspective, Scott Forsman Addison Wesley Math covers the strong content recommended by the NCTM standards. This content is supported by a unique, developmentally appropriate instructional design that ensures student success. Each chapter focuses on a key math concept and is structured to reinforce that concept. Students spend the right amount of time on each topic before moving on to something new. Because the lessons don't skip around from topic to topic, students have enough time to learn, with less need for reteaching. From the student's perspective, the lessons are interesting and motivating and bring math into their world. There are state-specific review and practice workbooks. What a great way to connect math to their own state. Throughout the early levels of Scott Forsman Addison Wesley Math, the emphasis is on helping students develop a strong number sense, while mastering basic concepts, facts, and computation skills. Students use manipulatives like counters, snap cubes, and place value blocks to explore, practice, and reinforce math ideas. Throughout the program, directions for using manipulatives and doing the activities are pictured right on the student pages. Each chapter uses only one or two types of manipulatives. This allows students to focus on their learning and is much easier to manage. The developmental structure of the lessons ensures that students make the connection between what they do with manipulatives and what they record on paper. This is the key connection between the concrete and the abstract. Fact strategies such as counting on, doubles, and doubles plus one help students master basic facts quickly and easily. Primary teachers will applaud the thorough treatment of special topics like time, money, geometry, and measurement. The daily routines and calendar time activities give suggestions to practice these skills every day. And the Mathmataz gang, created by Children's Television Workshop, the makers of Sesame Street, bring math into every child's imagination. Hi, Annie.
Hi, come on in.
Annie, Jake, Herman, and CJ are also in the student books to help learn math.
10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents is a dime.
In the K-2 books, each chapter begins with a family letter containing optional home activities. Notes for home on every student page explain the day's lesson and suggest easy activities to do at home. Each chapter ends with Math Soup, a delightful take-home magazine that the entire family will enjoy. Parent letters and a special parent website maintain the homeschool connection all through the upper grades. In grades 3 through 6, lesson themes feature real kids from around the country using math. Lessons covering the more difficult concepts are structured to give students extra time and support so that all students learn. Hands-on activities help students understand important concepts. Discussion and writing activities clarify and reinforce understanding. Critical thinking and reasoning are built into every lesson. Mixed review and test prep reinforce previously learned skills. Students explore a variety of ways to solve problems, then compare and discuss their solutions. The Teacher's Edition provides additional activities for different learning and teaching styles. Every lesson has Another Way to Learn, which is a non-text alternative for teaching the same skill. Teachers have the option of extended investigations, which can replace several lessons and provide parallel instruction in a more constructivist approach. The program has ample and varied practice opportunities, so you can decide how much practice your students need. Now, for problem solving. Research tells us what teachers have always known, that the major reason many students can't solve word problems is because they can't read and understand word problems. Scott Forsman Addison Wesley has developed a unique problem-solving strand which teaches the students how to read and understand word problems. Reading for math lessons bring reading strategies like finding the main idea and sequencing into the math concept. For example, this teacher-directed lesson helps students focus on the main idea. Students then use this skill to eliminate unnecessary data in their math problems. This is also an important test-taking skill. The Teacher's Edition provides many other suggestions for reading support, such as vocabulary study, language development, and reading assists. Grades 3 through 6 incorporate a special guided problem-solving approach, similar to guided or directed reading, to help students think and work through math problems. This example from 3rd grade shows how the 4-step process is modeled right on the student page. With Scott Forsman Addison Wesley Math, students become expert problem solvers because now problem solving makes sense. Assessment and accountability are important issues in schools today. Scott Forsman Addison Wesley Math teaches test prep strategies in every lesson to ensure student success on tests. Students encounter different test formats, such as standardized tests, performance assessments, and writing activities. They learn how to do the thinking and communicating expected on the new tests. Scott Forsman Addison Wesley Math provides teachers with a complete range of review and assessment options. Tips for observing and assessing, as well as detailed assessment rubrics, are especially helpful. State-specific assessment materials are also provided. Because assessment truly matches instruction, your students will be successful on state and standardized tests. Teacher support starts with the Teacher's Edition. In this exciting new program, the Teacher's Editions are grade level appropriate. The format varies for grades K, 1 through 2, 3 through 5, and 6 through 8 to support the different teaching and learning styles. All grade levels share a 3-part teaching plan: introduce, teach, and assess. Each chapter begins with a complete planning and pacing guide. There are pages for additional resources, technology, learning environment, and assessment options. In kindergarten, there are special suggestions for center activities and full-day classes. Since kindergarten teachers have the option of choosing softcover student textbooks or class jumbo pages, there are teaching notes for both. For each lesson, teachers may choose from 4 pages of core and optional activities. Every lesson has a handy lesson organizer and prior knowledge idea. There are error intervention strategies, reading assists, readiness activities, daily routines, language and literature connections, reteaching and extension activities. Each lesson has options for reaching all learners, with ideas for ESL, gifted and inclusion students. Rich cultural connections are also provided. Ideas are given for using all of the exciting supplements, such as the calendar time kit, the problem of the day chart, the reading strategies for math chart, the overhead transparencies, and Mathmataz. Practice, reteaching, enrichment, and problem-solving supplements are pictured in each lesson. Everything is at the point of use, right where you need it, when you need it, to save you time every day. Can you imagine doing all your lesson plans with the click of a mouse? With the Teacher Resource Planner CD-ROM, you save valuable time with point-and-click planning. The CD-ROMs for each grade level contain lesson planning ideas with charts and calendars for daily, monthly, or yearly planning. You can customize your lessons, change them instantly, and even correlate your lesson plans to local objectives. The planners include electronic versions of all the teacher resources from the Teacher's Resource Package. With Scott Forsman Addison Wesley Math, teachers aren't the only ones who have the option of using state-of-the-art technology. There are a variety of optional calculator, wow, and computer lessons, interactive games, multimedia lessons, testing software, data software, and even motivational interactive practice. And don't forget, in grades K, 1, and 2, we have the Mathmataz game.
Hello, Florida!
Woo! We are the Mathmataz gang.
Yeah.
Ha-ha! Hi!
Hi, my name is Annie.
I'm Jake.
And I'm CJ.
And I'm Herman.
And we are proud, so proud, to be a part of the new Scott Forsman Addison Wesley math program.